I always start with my personal journey, like farmer background, like how the farmer's life it was there before what is now. Again, talk about Atantraru and Golden Seed and Besuke, Kanaja. My name is Dayananda Nagaraju from Mysore. My art practice always around with the food and farming and the culture. It also talks about the present situation on food. Kanaja actually started with a question like what is the food security? Farmers used to store the food initially in a coconut shell or some shells, fruit shells or any shells, and after that they made one room for to storage, and after that it started storing in a gunny bag. So still we practice in storing in a gunny bag. I want to talk about what our food system is like beautiful, very nicely done, nicely decorated, but inside that's chaos. If you see very closely, then we'll come to know what it is. This pattern I want to bring in this work because our Indian culture is craftsman is very important. Everyday thing they use the art, they never separate from the life. If you go on inside, you can see some of the tags where the food is coming from, where the rice is coming from, where the ragi is coming from. So that talks about that. So you see the patterns, oh it's look nice, beautiful. Then if you go inside, people get scared also, and also you feel suffocation because what we see in outside like about food system, food politics, definitely we can't go inside. I mean, because it's a huge thing from the farmers to consumer. So I try to bring that essence in this work, and also like you see it's my work is look beautiful here.